Want to speak English like a native? This video will teach in 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced.
Asking about hospital stay duration.
Hello, how are you?
I am okay. When can I go home?
The doctor will see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Good morning, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling better. Do you know when I might be discharged?
The doctor will make that decision after her rounds tomorrow.
I see. Thank you for letting me know.
Hey there, how's it going?
Hanging in there? Any word on when I can get out of here?
Doc will check in tomorrow and give the thumbs up.
Got it, thanks for the heads up.
Checking on pain and medication.
Are you in pain?
Yes, my head hurts.
I will get medicine.
Thank you.
Are you experiencing any pain right now?
Yes, I have a pretty bad headache.
Let me get you some pain medication.
I would appreciate that, thank you.
How's the pain level?
My head's killing me.
I'll grab you something for that.
Thanks, that'd be great.
Asking about test results.
We did your blood test.
What is the result?
The results are good.
I am happy.
We have your lab results back.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything looks normal.
That's a relief to hear.
Got your labs back.
Any red flags?
All clear, you're good.
Requesting assistance to the bathroom.
Excuse me, I need help.
What do you need?
I want to go to the bathroom.
I will help you.
Could you assist me for a moment?
Of course, what do you need?
I need to use the restroom.
Let me help you get up.
Can you give me a hand?
Sure, what's up? So, I
Need to hit the bathroom?
no problem, I gotcha.
Asking about meal options.
I am hungry.
The food will come soon.
What is the food?
You can choose chicken or fish.
I'm getting a bit hungry. When is lunch?
Meal service will be here in about 30 minutes.
What are the options for today?
The menu offers a choice between grilled chicken or baked fish.
Any idea when food's coming?
Lunch should be up in half an hour.
What's on the menu?
It's chicken or fish, pick one.
Morning check-in and discharge inquiry.
Good morning, how do you feel?
I feel better today.
That's good, you can go home soon.
Thank you, doctor.
Good morning. How are you feeling compared to yesterday?
Much better, actually.
Great. We're planning to discharge you this afternoon.
That's wonderful news.
Morning, how you feeling?
Way better today.
Cool, we're gonna get you out of here this afternoon.
Sounds perfect.
Clarifying visitor hours.
When can I visit?
Visiting hours are from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Can I come tomorrow?
Yes, you can.
Could you tell me the visiting hours, please?
Of course, they are between 11 a.m. and 8 p.m. daily.
So I can come by tomorrow during that time?
Absolutely, that will be fine.
What are the visiting hours?
We're open from 11 to 8.
Cool, I'll swing by tomorrow then.
Yep, see you then.
Scheduling a follow-up appointment.
You need to see the doctor again.
When should I come?
Please come back in 2 weeks.
Okay, thank you.
The doctor would like to schedule a follow-up appointment for you.
When would be a good time?
How does 2 weeks from now sound?
That works for me.
Doc wants a follow-up.
When for?
How's 2 weeks out?
Works for me.
Explaining insurance coverage.
Your insurance is good here.
Will it pay for everything?
It will pay for most things.
That is good.
Your insurance plan is accepted at our hospital.
Do you know what percentage it will cover?
It should cover the majority of the approved charges.
I'm glad to hear that.
We take your insurance.
Will I get hit with a big bill?
You should be mostly covered.
That's a relief.
Explaining a procedure before it happens.
We will do a small test now.
Will it hurt?
You will feel a small pinch.
I am ready.
We're going to start the IV procedure now.
Is this going to be painful?
You might feel a quick pinch, then it's over.
Okay, I understand. Let's proceed.
All right, going to start your IV.
Is it going to sting?
Just a quick pinch, then you're good.
Got it. Go ahead.
Calling for help with the nurse call button.
Hello, I need help.
Yes, I am listening. What do you need?
I fell down. Please come.
I am coming right now.
Hello, this is room 304. I need assistance.
I can hear you. What happened?
I've had a fall in the bathroom. I need help.
Don't move. Help is on the way.
Yeah, I need help.
What's going on?
Took a spill in the bathroom.
Stay put. We're coming.
Asking for a blanket.
I am cold.
Do you need a blanket?
Yes, please.
I will get one for you.
I'm feeling quite cold.
Would you like me to bring you an extra blanket?
Yes, that would be wonderful.
I'll go find one right away.
It's freezing in here.
Want a warm blanket? Yeah.
Yes, please.
I'll grab one.
Asking about medication side effects.
This is my new medicine.
Yes.
Will it make me sleepy?
It might. Be careful.
I just started this new medication.
That's correct. Why?
Should I expect any drowsiness as a side effect?
Yes, it's possible. Please avoid driving.
This is the new med, right?
That's the one.
Yep. Will it knock me out?
It might. Don't drive.
Confirming patient identity before a procedure.
What is your name?
My name is John Doe.
What is your birth date?
June 15, 1980.
Can you please state your full name for me?
Yes, it's John Michael Doe.
And your date of birth?
It's June 15th, 1980. Full name and date of birth?
John Doe. June 15, 80.
Thanks, John.
Sure.
Asking for directions to a department.
Excuse me, where is radiology?
Go straight and turn right.
Is it far?
No, it is close.
Pardon me, could you direct me to the radiology department?
Certainly. Go down this hall and take the first right.
Will it take long to get there?
Not at all. It's just around the corner.
Where's radiology?
Straight down, hang a right.
Far walk?
Nah, it's right there.
Checking in for an appointment at the front desk.
Hello, I have an appointment. What is your name? My name is Lisa Green. Please wait here.
Good morning. I'm here for my 10 a.m. appointment.
May I have your full name, please?
Yes, it's Mark Green.
Thank you. Please have a seat in the waiting area. Hi, checking in for my appointment. Name? Lisa Green. Got it. Have a seat.
Asking about cafeteria hours.
Where is the cafeteria?
It is on the first floor.
When does it open?
It opens at 7 a.m.
Could you point me toward the cafeteria?
Yes, it's located on the ground floor.
Do you know its operating hours?
It opens daily at 7 in the morning.
Where's the cafeteria?
Downstairs by the West Wing.
When's it open?
Opens at 7.
Getting instructions for an outpatient test.
Are you here for a blood test?
Yes, I am.
Please sit in this chair.
Okay.
You're here for the lab work, correct?
That's right.
Please have a seat in the phlebotomy chair.
All right, thank you.
Here for the blood draw?
Yep,
Take a seat right here.
got it.
A family member inquiring about patient condition.
I am here for my mother.
What is her name?
Her name is Anna Lee.
She is resting now.
Hello, I'm inquiring about my mother's condition.
May I have her full name, please?
It's Anna Marie Lee in room 312.
She's stable and resting comfortably at the moment.
I'm here for my mom.
What's the name?
Anna Lee, room 312.
She's doing okay, just sleeping right now.
A patient asking about Wi-Fi access.
Does this hospital have Wi-Fi?
Yes, we have free Wi-Fi.
What is the password?
The password is guest123.
Excuse me, is there public Wi-Fi available here?
Yes, we offer complimentary wireless internet.
Could you tell me the network name and password?
The network is Hospital Guest, and the password is @guest123.
Is there free Wi-Fi here?
Yep, we've got it.
What's the login?
Network's Hospital Guest, password guest123.